how to fix GTA 5 installation stack problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. Only to do first open settings. First open here, search tab and type background apps, then click on it, and then on search here, just you will find it like that. Just turn it off, background apps, make sure it's turned off, and then go back. Now on search here, right click here, go to task manager, and then click memory if you want to see applications that takes your memory. And that's it. Now just close all the application that takes your memory like Google Chrome, right click on it and click end task, and then right click and end task. And that's it. Now your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.